Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best Walmart product research method here in 2021. This is kind of new territory for a lot of people. A lot of people aren't really sure how to begin this process. I personally just submitted my application to sell on Walmart today, so fingers crossed I get accepted in the next couple of days. But other than that, we're going to be going in, we're going to be using software built to do this, find products to sell on Walmart. Be sure to stick around to the end. This seriously could be a business model that makes millionaires over the next couple of years. With that being said, let's get right into it because I am excited. All right, so I have opened up walmart.com and now the product research method is actually really simple. We're just gonna go into the search bar and type in home decor. This is one that I've done, and you'll notice what Walmart does is they'll actually break it down into categories. So it'll be shop by category. If you come a little bit further down, there will be general home decor products that you can add or some available only at Walmart deals and exclusive brands, but we're gonna be focusing primarily on shop by category. Let me just make this a little bit bigger for everyone out there so we can see this, and let's go like that. Perfect. So any one of these will work, by the way. And what you can do is you can actually do this with any search term. I think walmart.com is a really good opportunity for people to build brands that they actually like. Like if you are a musician and you want to sell guitar accessories, or you're a Olympic weightlifter and you want to sell workout accessories and start a brand there, I think Walmart's actually a really good place to do that, where it might be more difficult on Amazon with all the competition, these big kind of brand dominated spaces or big general spaces. Like I can never go onto Amazon and just sell a highly ranking like home decor item like a pillow or a shelf without any other specific niche oriented design to it. But with Walmart, we actually are kind of looking for things like that. So the next method that we can do is come up here, turn on caps lock, and then do smash the like button. Gotcha. Seriously though, if you could give me a like down below, it does help my channel a ton as a small growing YouTuber. Gets this video out to more people and helps me out a lot. So I appreciate that. Now let's go and do the real example. So like sports, we could do sports, right? So sports is your thing. Come down here and notice you'll get, again, certain different categories. Show all sports. We have fishing, some trampoline is, I guess, a sport, boating, golf, volleyball. So we could go into those, and those will each kind of fan out into their own categories. But let's just start here for now. You also will notice that you get a breakdown on the side here from shop by category with more. Why don't we just go into decorative accents? That's one right here, and then I'll show you how to do the next step for product research on Walmart. Now what you're gonna need now is a tool called X-Ray by Helium 10. What this tool is gonna do is it's gonna show us the revenue of the sellers on walmart.com. This is a brand new tool that just came out a matter of days ago. So if you start using it now and get good with it, you're probably gonna be at a distinct advantage over people who perhaps aren't even looking at Walmart yet, but let alone aren't using software to do this kind of business model. There will be a link down below for this tool. You get 10% off for every month that you're using. It's a subscription, so it's not just a one-time deal. And I get a kickback too, so it helps. A great way to support the channel. What I look for when I come in here is I want to see a small number of reviews associated to a large number of revenue. In general, I'm also interested in just revenue that's pretty high as well, maybe somewhere between $4,000 to maybe up to $50,000. So when I look through here, I'm actually excited to see things that are more general and higher revenue products. Where on Amazon, I'm looking for small things, small reviews, small amounts of revenue, overlooked markets where I'm going in. Walmart's a different beast right now. There's not enough sellers to even support the amount of customers that are going to Walmart. Walmart's growing quicker than I think a lot of people realize. Like their fulfillment program, they can't even keep up with the amount of customers that they have, and getting that 2-day shipping that they're promising a lot of people. A lot of people aren't going to go to Walmart and get 2-day delivery on most things. It's just not being upheld yet on that side. But what we can see, like, look at this, 58 reviews, $5,000 per month. That's the 13th product on decorative accents for home decor. You type decorative accents on Amazon or go to the category decorative accents or home decor and look at the 13th product, it's not going to have 13 reviews, or I mean, sorry, 58 reviews. And the one next to it is not going to have 10 and 8 and 26 and 33. There's going to be a lot more competition. So hopefully by now you're starting to see that. So strategically, what you should be doing is pulling up X-Ray. Now what I would do is I would open this and then I would pin this or put it on a list. So now this becomes a new product to go look up on Walmart.com. So we'd be doing a similar thing that we'd be doing to Amazon at this point. We would look up woven tray or just tray, home decor tray on Walmart, and we'd go see. So that's one idea right there. 13 reviews doing $29,000 per month. Rustic wooden bowl, decor bowl. We would search that and we would open it up on Walmart. Come down through here. What is this? 35 reviews doing $600,000 per month. So that must be like a big brand or something. I don't think I want to overhype that, but let's go see, right? Because what is it? Farmhouse ladder. Okay, so now we've landed on the search term farmhouse ladder. We're going to analyze it just how we would analyze a Amazon product. Pull up X-Ray, see how the competitors are doing. One thing hopefully you've already noticed before I pulled this up is that the number of reviews the competitors have are like nothing, right? We have 35 reviews doing, that's the crazy one, 600,000. But then again, 23 reviews doing 6,000 and 193 reviews doing 3,000 and 210 reviews doing 80,000. It just keeps going on. 100 reviews doing 30,000. That's like nothing for competition. And then by the end of the page, we're already seeing bunk beds in different kinds of irrelevant products. That's a really good sign for us. It shows us that Walmart needs more of this specific relevant product. All right, so we'll go back to the normal page and just start doing some more product research. Right now, this is a product research method that I used to do a lot when Amazon was a newer business model in 2017. I mean, 2017 wasn't really that new, but that's when I found out about a lot less competitive than it is now. And you could just go through categories and look for products. That's like all that Walmart is right now. Just going through, again, how easy is that? 3 gold vases, $6,000 per month. I mean, there's just so many opportunities. You could, pick 4 of the highest revenue products off this page, source them and put them up on Walmart.com with a 3PL. I mean, that is probably something that'll make you several $1,000s every month. We could go to page 2 and we could keep looking. We could keep pulling up X-Ray on different pages, going through, looking for a small amount of reviews that are correlated to a higher amount of revenue, $6,900 per month. So that's like probably seasonal because it's a pumpkin for right now in fall. $3,600, $4,000, $3,400, $10,000 with 1 review. Are these just like a clear vase? A clear vase with 1 review doing $10,000 per month. It just keeps going on. So I mean, I could literally sit here for the next 3 hours and keep showing you product ideas that are going to have 5 reviews and $10,000 in sales. Trust me, I've been like doing this for hours. And every page that I click on, we'll go back out again and we'll just do something entirely random. We'll go all the way back out. This is just, keep in mind, this is just home decor. If I go to like crafts, that's a hard word to say. And then I go to, I don't know. Okay, artificial plants. That is like one of the biggest markets on Amazon. Maybe not one of the biggest, but I mean just multi-million-dollar market on Amazon. Let's go and see what this looks like on Walmart.com. Are there tons of them with thousands of reviews? Probably not. Okay, 51 reviews, 40,000. 50 reviews, 4,000. 101 reviews, 40,000. 2 reviews, 10,000. It's honestly getting to a point that it's just silly. I think a lot of people are going to be shocked when maybe someone like myself goes and starts listing things on Walmart and is able to make $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month pretty easily on Walmart. Trust me, if I get accepted, this is something I'm actively pursuing. And you have this opportunity right now as well. So what I want you to do is make a comment down below and let me know if you're interested in more videos about Walmart.com. Whether I make more videos about it or not, I'm going to be pursuing this business model pretty heavily because I think that there's a lot of opportunity here and I want to be one of those products that have 20 reviews and $40,000 per month in sales and then do that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50, 100 times, right? So I'm gonna be working at the logistics side of it. That's something that I'm still working on. So I do have some more videos I can make content about. Be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss videos like this one in the future, talking about the next big opportunity on Walmart.com. But other than that, I'll be seeing you in the next video here on the channel. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Later.